Hi, welcome to PIZZICS. Today, we're installing a powered subwoofer in this Perodua Axia. While each vehicle and powered subwoofer can differ slightly, the installation process is generally the same for any vehicle. The first step in any installation is to disconnect the car's positive and negative battery cable. That way, you're not going to cause any electrical shorts while you're doing your work. Next, use the subwoofer cable kit to connect the car battery to the Anderson connector. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the battery using a ring terminal, and the red wire to the positive terminal of the battery using a ring terminal. When connecting an amplifier with a power rating of 200 watts, it's advisable to use a 30 amp fuse. For an amplifier rated at 300 watts, a 20 amp fuse is recommended. Next, find a grommet on the vehicle's firewall that already has wires running through it into the cabin. We are going to poke a small hole in this grommet and run our power wire through it. Prepare the subwoofer cable kit by connecting the Anderson connector to the subwoofer wire. Ensure the wire length is 5 meters, with a tolerance of plus or minus 1 centimeter. As you pull the wire through the grommet, do so slowly and gently to avoid breaking or damaging the wire. Ensuring the wire remains intact is crucial for maintaining its functionality. Prepare subwoofer cable kit subwoofer to fuse box. Locate your car's fuse box, typically under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Determine an appropriate fuse slot that matches the power requirements of your subwoofer. Insert the fuse tap or holder into the chosen fuse slot in the fuse box. Route the wires neatly along the vehicle's panels and under carpets as needed. Connect the black wire from the car battery to the ground socket on the subwoofer panel. And the red wire from the car battery to the plus 12 volts socket on the subwoofer panel. Next, connect the red wire from the car fuse box to the remote socket on the subwoofer panel. Warning: do not short the plus 12 volts to the remote, as this will cause the subwoofer to remain constantly on, leading to car battery drain and potential damage. Connect the Anderson connectors together. Make sure the connectors click into place securely to establish a reliable connection. Do you want to experience the bass audio quality? Stay tuned for the next video.